from 43.5 to 93 miles. Boeing's Ramjet artillery shell that's changing warfare. Boeing reveals a groundbreaking look at their 155mm artillery shell powered by a Ramjet engine. In a collaboration with Norway's Nammo, Boeing breaks the range record with this new design. The actual distance the shell covered remains a tantalizing mystery. This artillery innovation is part of the U.S. Army's Extended Range Artillery Munition Suite (ERAMS) program. An intriguing glimpse at a 2022 test reveals the shell in action at Norway's Andøya Test Center. Ambitious goals are set with the Ramjet 155 aimed to target beyond 70 kilometers, while Nammo suggests up to 150 kilometers. Contrasting traditional 155mm artillery methods, this new design boasts an air-breathing Ramjet engine. This innovation potentially combines sustained supersonic flight with active propulsion. Advanced guidance systems are in place, pointing to GPS-assisted methods with future potential for hitting moving targets. The Ramjet 155 is not just about range, but precision, set to be demonstrated soon. There's a huge leap in capability. Existing 155mm howitzers might soon match large-caliber artillery rockets. Other global military giants, like Raytheon and BAE Systems, are also racing with their own advanced artillery designs. The U.S. Army explores multiple avenues to enhance its reach both tactically and strategically. Army officials, however, are in a dilemma. Adapt to the evolving artillery tech or stick with the old, cost-effective designs. Yet, one thing is clear. Artillery remains a critical battlefield component, and the Ramjet-powered round may soon redefine warfare. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.